Hi, my name is Abe Perez. I'm the drummer slash percussionist in the band Glasspirits. I have at this time 9 drum sets, and I have 3 LP sets of congas, and then I have 4 sets of bongos. They're all LPs except for one's a Pearl. I fell in love with it. And I have 3 cajones at this time. So I do endorse Spaun Drums and Scymtek cymbals, and I want to talk a little bit about myself and my influences in music and about my equipment. So another drum set that I have is a gold broken glass set with a black fade, and it has all wood hoops and black and 24 karat gold hardware. And that set is a great looking and sounding set when you put that live on the stage. Okay?
You want to see us live, track us on bandsintown.com. If you like our content, leave a comment, subscribe, like, follow. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Tell us in the comments what you're going to do. How are you going to make it?